Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So, anyways, on the daily time frame, we are definitely going up pretty strong today. If this really is a wave C, then I do think there is a lot more downside potential. This move up has not broken any structure up, it has not made like a significant higher low. So, I definitely would be looking at this move up as a likely pullback to this last wave down. So keeping that in mind, let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely watching my Fibonacci retracement very closely. If we get like a nice fib bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely take it as a short. Now the thing is this move up looks more like a trend, which means that if it does break down, it actually might end up being a crescent to the move up, like a wave B, and this would be an A, and then it pops back up, again for a C before it actually continues the downtrend. Might be much more likely that this is how it plays out. But with the daily trend being down, I definitely would take it as a short if I see it to find out whether it makes a corrective pattern like this or whether it makes a new impulsive move and continues the daily time frame downtrend that we are currently in. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.